Righto guys, so last thing for Monday is our last Metcon. You've got a 16 mini reps as you can get. We've got 4 blocks of work. Each exercise is going to go straight into the next one, straight into the next one, straight into the next one, and then straight into the next block. And you're going to work through for the 16 minutes. Block 1 is 60 seconds on of one exercise, then we move straight into the other exercise. Our first exercise is just good old-fashioned burpees. Exercise number 2, we have some table rows, pull-ups if you have a pull-up bar at home, or even a bent over row. Exercise number 3 is a good old-fashioned air squat, and exercise number 4 is a good old-fashioned push-up. So with our burpees, normal standard applies. Chest and thighs must hit the ground each and every rep. Jump up and have a slight clap. Nice and simple for those burpees. Exercise number 2, we've got our table rows. So if you've done them the other day, try and do the same thing. Hands grabbing the edge of your table or on the outside, depending on how your table is set up. My feet go underneath the bench and I'm going to pull myself up, if I can, to get my chest to touch the top of the table. Could be a pool table, a dining room table, outdoor table, doesn't really matter. Or you can grab on the sides and the same thing. If you haven't got a table to do any sort of pull-up work on, you can use your bit of equipment. So it's your dumbbell, your kettlebell. We're going to do some bent over rows. Try and keep the same amount of reps per arm. So do say 5 and do 5 on the other. If you do 3 on the other arm, do 3 on the other, so it's nice and even. Don't do 15 on one, 6 on the other, 7 on the other one, 35 on the other one. Keep them nice and even. Bent over row today. Elbow can rest on your knee. I'm going to pull that kettlebell or dumbbell up in towards my hip, keeping my elbow going back. So it's more of a Chinese row. I'm not pulling with my elbow up and away, and no sort of like whippersnipper movements for that one. That's our bent over row equivalent today. Our air squats, nice and simple, like what we've done in the warm-up. Chest up, knees out to the side, hips sit back, sit into the bottom of our squat, standing nice and tall. Focus on spreading that floor with your feet. Weight stays through the middle of our feet flat on the ground. That's for our air squats. And then finally, our push-ups. Locked out at the top, chest hits the ground if we can, thighs stay off the deck, back to the top. Nice standard push-up. If you need to go to your knees, 1 knee or 2 knee, the same thing applies. So, how this works. Block 1, I'm going to do 60 seconds of burpees. As soon as that 60 seconds of burpees is up, I'm going to go straight into 60 seconds of our rows or pull-ups or whatever movement we're doing for that. As soon as that 60 seconds is up, straight into 60 seconds of air squats. As soon as that 60 seconds is up, I'm going to go straight into 60 seconds of push-ups. Then we go into block 2 with no rest, 45 seconds of burpees, 15 seconds of rest. So it's still working for a minute in total, but you've got some rest in there this time. Table rows again, 45 and 15, squats 45 and 15, and push-ups 45 and 15. Into block 3, now we've got 30 and 30. Finally, block 4, 15 seconds on, 45 seconds off. Once we've gone through block 4, then your workout is done. So try and keep count of your reps. I'd suggest that you just keep counting. So burpee in round 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Getting to the table rows in round 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next move, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so forth. Have fun with that one, guys. Go hard, especially in that block 4. See what you can squeeze out.